any way that you desire in the breakfast area of this contemporary 4-bedroom/2-bath home, only a 20-minute drive to Fort Hood. This open floor plan delivers a master suite with dual sinks, whirlpool tub for sore muscles, separate shower, walk-in closet, welcoming living room with carpeting, wood-burning fireplace for keeping warm, elegant dining room, inside laundry, family-friendly kitchen with garbage disposal, refrigerator, dishwasher, granite countertops, pantry, wine rack, appliances included, double sinks, work island for added workspace, breakfast bar for on-the-go meals, electric range, double-side fireplace in master bedroom, plant ledge in minor bedrooms, corner fireplace in living room, 3-panel doors, water softener, sprinkle system, corner lot, thermal glass windows, fenced backyard, oversized yard, a manicured